Hello guys, welcome. After lots of burning and cutting, finally I think I can try to cut with the tractor and let's see how it's going. 2 days of burning bushes and branches, and after all night it's still hot. I will just a little bit dig inside and throw these dried branches in, and I have a fire. So I just dig in a little bit and fire. It's here, it's completely hot. I can't be even very close to it. Phew. I did some potatoes yesterday. I just threw them inside. They nicely bake. Spider as well. Seems everybody likes them. So you don't even need to wash or anything, you just can directly eat them. And with the baked skin, really good. If you never tried it, do it. You will like it. Tractor with fly mower ready to start new season after casting all the winter almost. So I was doing some wood from forest, but fly mower was resting all winter. I kept some bushes uncutted to see what's the difference of cutting pre-cutted bushes and not cut it at all. I see it's much easier for my tractor power and the fly mower to cut pre-cutted bushes. Uncutted bushes I need to drive through 3 or 4 times so they're entirely cut it through. With pre-cutted bushes I'm saving the tractor hours, so it means fuel and the usage of tractor. Of course, time-wise I spend maybe the same hours, but I have to do some manual work, but I would not speed it with the tractor, with my tractor and the power of the tractor. If you have more powerful tractor, I'm sure you don't necessarily need to pre-cut the bushes, but not in my case. I see much better results and I think it's much quicker when I pre-cut the bushes. For today, job done. Still some part to do, but not so much left. Of course the rest of the field, but this part. Really nice to see field being a field. Compared to how it looked like about 6 weeks ago. Job done for today, finally, and it's really cold. It's quite strong wind, and the weather forecast shows feels like -3, but I think it's much less. So time to go home now. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.